friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making creamy custard pudding. This pudding is set by gelatin and it has a more melt-in-your-mouth texture than the baked pudding. Served with delicate caramel sauce and it makes a great dessert at any occasion. Let's get started. Let's start with blooming the gelatin. In a container, put gelatin leaves and icy cold water and then let it bloom while preparing the other ingredients for at least 10 minutes. In case using powdered gelatin, in a small bowl, sprinkle the gelatin over the cold water and allow it to bloom. Combine half of the sugar and whole milk in a pot. Start heating on the medium-low heat. Bring it to a simmer. And meanwhile, separate egg yolks and egg whites. Whisk together the egg yolks and the rest of the sugar. Whisk well until the egg yolks turn pale in color. Add vanilla for a beautiful aroma. Add a ladle of hot milk to the egg yolk mixture when the milk reaches the simmer. Whisk well until well combined. Add more hot milk and whisk. What this does is temper the egg. When you add all the hot milk at once, the egg yolk will cook and it's not gonna make a silky texture. When you add enough milk to egg yolk mixture, pour the mixture back into the pot and whisk well together. Turn on the heat to low and start cooking, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens. This state usually describes as coat the back of the spoon. If you have a thermometer, it should reach 82 to 85 degrees Celsius. Slowly raise the temperature. Basically, what we are doing here is making crème anglaise. You can turn this into sauce or ice cream or mousse and more different ways. It's gonna take 5 to 6 minutes. Stop cooking and add bloomed gelatin and dissolve. Pass through a sieve and chill in the ice bath. When it cools to the room temperature, add heavy cream. Stir well and chill until slightly thickened and transfer to a jug. And divide into cups. Cover with paper towels and plastic wrap and chill until set in the fridge for at least 3 hours to overnight. Now let's make caramel sauce. Bloom gelatin before cooking. In a small pot, add sugar and water. Turn on the heat to medium and cook until caramelized. While cooking, prepare hot water, but keep your eyes on the pot. When it turns brown, shape the pot to even out the color. If you like the bitter caramel, cook until dark in color, but I like the delicate flavor, so I stop cooking at this point. Add hot boiling water little by little. Be careful not to burn yourself because it is so hot. If you add too much water at once, it's gonna splash all over and you're gonna burn yourself. So be sure to add the hot water little by little. Bring it to a boil again and then turn off the heat. Add in a pinch of salt and bloom the gelatin. And chill completely in the ice bath. Transfer to a bottle too easy to handle. Because I add a small amount of gelatin, it has a nice consistency to use as a sauce. Once the pudding has set, drizzle over the caramel sauce and then serve. The creaminess of the custard and the sweetness and the slightly bitter taste of caramel complement each other and create a satisfying and balanced dessert. Enjoy your homemade pudding. Be sure to give it a try, and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my Happy Eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website, princessbamboo.com. And thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!